Good day, everyone. Let's hear from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is October 9, 2023. This is the second video today. We have just done a ASX 200 update before. If you missed it, just take a look on our channel here. This is specifically focused on a war and what are the sectors that could benefit out of this unfortunate situation, this disruptive event, a geopolitical event as we call, and could potentially escalate, and how could that impact on the stock market. We are looking here at the sectors where we should be moving the money to from riskier positions for this particular situation into positions that could give us a better upside and potentially even make money out of this unfortunate war, sort of speaking. So let's have a look. I just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies, BGS20, together with our VP members to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, and much more, all in this channel. So if you like, please subscribe the channel. And also I wanted to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. A lot of great quality content out there. So essentially what's happening here, if you are not looking what's in the media, so at least 700 people have died on a weekend as a result of some terrorist attack fired from Gaza into Israel, which is obviously bringing attention of everyone in the world, with VIX, which is volatile index, is just spiking this morning, and we potentially will see a market reaction in the US. We haven't seen that in Australia yet, as you can see. As per my previous video, ASX is sort of bouncing back out of this hypothetical support. But essentially, we wanted to take a look what's happening here with the major sectors that normally have are negatively impacted, but the prices of share companies that are trading in that particular sector could move upwards as a result of this geopolitical event. And the first one is obviously oil, energy sector. Normally you look into oil and gas and what's happening with oil and gas. The energy sectors can be affected by war, particularly if it happens to be a disruptive event in the global oil and gas supply. So we always got to be looking at what's happening right now. Therefore, we'll increase energy prices, and obviously companies that are trading into this particular sector tends to have its share price going upwards as a result of this particular event. They will charge more for whatever output product they have in this particular sector. So the other sector that we liked here, particular, is precious metals, where essentially gold and silver, but we normally trade gold here. And if you can see, we have a little bit of bounce in gold already, and we could see a further bounce in gold. That could be an event that will help gold prices to move forwards with this particular situation, if particular event, if obviously things start escalating. Furthermore, without this event, we also have gold prices sort of sitting at what we call support level right there, around just under 1,900 US an ounce. So I think this is definitely a sector to look at right now, as gold normally, not just gold but precious metals, but gold, let's say for instance, it's normally considered a safe haven asset during this type of event, geopolitical instability. Investors maybe flock into assets that store value during that particular situation. And we've seen that before when Russia and Ukraine war, gold has spiked, and when they have a banking crisis, gold has spiked as well. And we could see gold spiked further if this unfortunate event happens to continue to escalate. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. We got to see what US is going to do about it and other countries. But at the moment, it's definitely, we have to be very, very nimble on this market, even though we are prompt for a bounce here. If US start getting involved with this somehow, then obviously we might have a further correction right here as a result of fear. But then looking to stocks that could be bouncing really well and have already started bounce, bounce. Gold stocks, we look into the leading gold stocks like Northern Star Resources, which is bounced just 5% today as a result of this war and this geopolitical instability. So this is a stock that I would suggest you guys to look into it, as we have a double bottom right here and potential bounce, and we could even see this stock going towards $14 a share from $11.40, which is trading right now, to $14 if gold prices continue to move upwards as a result of this war. So another gold stock, if you're gonna go a little bit more conservative, is Newcrest Mine, which is also bouncing. If you see all the gold stocks in the high quality gold stocks in the sector, it's bouncing. And then the next sector that we want to look into is obviously leading the high quality businesses into oil and gas. And so we start with Woodside Energy Group, which also has been taking pressure as US stocks has essentially came down in the last few weeks. So, but if we look into this, we see a potential reversal right there. Here you go. We could see Woodside going towards $38 in no time if this geopolitical event continues to escalate. Could be a stock that could be profitable for the short term, and we're not looking into 20% right here, not in these particular macroeconomic conditions with these geopolitical situations happening, but we're looking at potentially not making a loss here, but actually anything between like 10-15% into these particular positions, the particular stocks that I have just share with you right here. Now, the other one that I like as well is BPT, Beach Energy, which also trades at the lower levels right there, but with potential energy prices moving forwards, as it is expected already without this geopolitical event that oil will be trading around $100 US a barrel, and gas prices, natural gas, moving forwards as winter hits in the northern hemisphere. So we probably could see this stock moving forwards towards $1.70. If it happens, we'll be looking at $8 to 10%, 8 to 10% profit in the short term. Okay, I know this is not 20 to 40%. It's not a quick money grab, but unfortunately the current situation in the stock market is not favorable for huge profits. But you want to be positioned into stocks, into particular sectors of the market that could benefit from what's happening out there. So just keep that in mind. And most important, again, we would only be looking to high quality businesses that companies that generate revenue, are profitable, net profitable companies, and that could have a substantial fundamental value behind its share price, not just speculative stocks, but company that has fundamental high value on its share price at the current quotation. So hope that makes sense. Let us know what you think about the current situation, the war. You think the market is going to crash? I'm not going to name this video as a market potential market crash, because this is you're going to see a lot of videos like this popping up for sure. I don't think that will be a reason for the market crash, but I think you just need to be positioned well in the right sectors during this potential market downturn, if that continues to escalate, if this war continues to escalate. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. That was more like a terrorist attack, but we could see a further escalation from US or other countries. If that happens, obviously, we really have to make sure you are in high quality companies, and if you are in low level companies, low quality stocks, speculative stocks, if you're still there, which I think you shouldn't have been there, but if you're still there, you should have stop losses, more than ever stop losses in place to make sure you protect your capital. That's our suggestion here at BG Trading. Hope that was valuable. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a fantastic week. Bye.